What's up, everybody? D'Angelo here. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. And I wanted to make this video for you guys on how you can make money in the adult niche without spending any money or very little money, without talking to anybody, without creating any content, like without trying to convince people, without following up with people, none of that crazy stuff that you got to do in a lot of other businesses and stuff. You don't have to try to create TikTok accounts. You don't have to build out websites. This is like some of the easiest money you can make, and you can see results today. No, in fact, I will say you will see results today if you go out and you do this. And again, this is very low barrier to entry. All right. Now, if you're in the course, just go over to the adult section. Obviously, we're over here on YouTube, so I can't show you like how to actually go through step by step to do this because obviously there's nudity, like you know. But anyway, let's just go ahead and dive into this. So first things first is you are going to jump over to X and you're going to search OnlyFans, Premium Snapchat, stuff like that, right? And then you're going to reach out to those creators and say, hey, I'm a reseller. I would like to resell your content. What's your price? Let's say they're like, it's $50 and they got like a Google Dropbox of like 200 photos and stuff like that, or whatever it may be. All right, you just keep messaging people until you get someone who's in your budget. I kid you not, guys, you can literally find people for like 10, $20, $15, for 100 pictures and stuff like that. Like it is wild because you gotta remember, like these content creator people, they are not business owners. So it is like for them, it's a lot harder for them to do stuff. They're like the if you ever work with these people or you see how they do business, they'll make a story. Hey, don't message me unless you want to buy right now. Like they only focus on the money. They don't focus on building a relationship. They don't focus on like literally any of the stuff that a business owner would normally focus on with their customers. They just see money and that's all they want, which is why most of them don't make any. But anyway, once you get the Dropbox, Google Drive, whatever it may be, you are then going to open up an Echata account. Now, the reason why I say an Echata account, because guys, I've been doing this forever. I actually lost 30 grand on the first Echata app I tried to get made. Then I lost another couple $1,000s on the second attempt. And then on the third attempt, I finally just did like a messenger and it's been working out fantastic for you, boy. Now, I still got a few other features and stuff I want to add to it. But right now, when you just go strictly by what you need, this is it, guys. All right. So you're going to open up your Echata account. Or if you want to chance it with Snapchat, whatever you want to do, whatever platform, basically you just set up that account, right? And then from there, you are going to set up your premium group. And you're going to take these photos and pictures here and you're going to put them in that group. And then you're going to go to the admin section and change it to where you are the only person that can post. Unless, of course, you want to just have it where everyone can just talk or whatnot. All right. So once you do that, you are then going to create a second group. So this is your first group. This is like your premium paid one. And then you're going to have your free group. So this is going to be your free group right here. And then this is like the one that you're just going to take. Like, so like whoever this person is you end up buying it from, they're normally going to be promoting for free on their regular X page. So you can go straight, like literally just go straight to their X page or whatnot and just start posting all the stuff that they post for free right here in this group. All right. Now, once all this is set up right here, which would probably take you maybe, depending on how many videos and pictures you're putting in the group at the time, because you don't have to do the full 200. You could do like 50. You can do like 10, 10, 10, start adding like stuff on a couple pictures a day, stuff like that. All right. But anyway, you're then going to jump over to the dating apps. All right. So you can get Tinder, Bumble, whatever dating app, and then you're going to basically just say, hey, hit me up, whatever your username is over here on each other, right? And try to make it like a little bit direct, but not too direct. Like, hey, like, because you don't want people to hit you up, and they're not like about to buy content. Obviously you're gonna get a lot of people that hit you up regardless. But if you want to kind of just make it like, hey, this is kind of what I'm here for. Like obviously don't just come out and say that because the platforms will shut you down or shadow ban your accounts and stuff like that. But make it obvious, but not obvious, if that makes sense. All right. Or like I said, if you just want the broadest audience, you simply just put in, hey, hit me up on Echata, whatever your username is, and then just sprinkle in some random stuff just so the algorithm of the bot or whatever it is on Tinder's end doesn't think you're a bot. All right. So once you do that, you're then gonna instantly, when I mean instant, instantly, instant, instant transmission, instantly. You will start getting people hitting you up. I kid you not, within 5 minutes, it will be 99 plus matches. If your account is a shadow banned or is going through some process or something like that on the back end. But if you just get an account that just works, it will be 99 plus matches within 5 minutes. 5 minutes. No boost, no nothing. 5 minutes. And you're going to start getting a crap ton of people to just start randomly hitting you up over here on your eChat account or whatnot. Right? Now, once all those people from the dating apps start hitting you up on your chat account, you want to start adding them to your free group. Right? And then you're just going to keep doing that over and over and over. Add to the free group, add to the free group, add to the free group. And then from there, you want to go, it's in the same section and that you do for the groups, and you're going to create a broadcast. Now, the broadcast is dope because you get to message all of those people. Like, you just add them to like a broadcast, and then you can repeatedly send them messages. So like on Snapchat, when you want to message like 500 people or 100 people, whatever it is, you have to manually go through and click, 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 click every single time. But with the broadcast over here on the channel, all you have to do is just add them to this broadcast one time. And then you can just simply say, hey, good morning. And it will send an individual message out to everyone. It's not a group or anything along those lines. Or you can just like, hey, I'm doing a bundle of feet pictures or some shit like that. And boom, it will just go directly to their inbox. Or you say, hey, just hoping you're having a great day. Something like that. Whatever it may be, this will go here. And then you can create, different broadcasts and start adding people. Okay, well, these people paid $100. So, like, okay, these are like the higher tier people. Like, hey, so, like they've been spending a lot of money with you, whatever. So you just send them, I don't know, like a free bundle of pictures or some shit. Just like, oh, hey, I just wanted to say thank you for all the support you've been giving me. Boom. And you just send them like a couple bundles of pictures or some shit. I don't know. But anyway, for this one right here, you're going to start adding them, to this right here. And then this one is going to be promoting your premium group. Right, so your free group is going to be all the free stuff, whatnot, and of course you're going to get a lot of people that just send up, just strictly just hit you like, hey, how do I get into your premium group? Because in your free group, you're just gonna, you can block things out, stuff like that. But like you can edit the picture and be like, hey, if you want this uncensored, like hit me up for my premium group and stuff like that or whatever. And then yeah, like I said, this is such easy money, guys. It is insane. But the biggest thing I will say is that you are going to get like so many people messaging you. One is going to be a little weird to talk to dudes that think you're a chick or something like that. So I say hire a chick and just go from there. Pay her hourly, and then that's it. Have her do all the talking, do everything. So you don't even do any of this. You don't worry about any of this. You don't do anything on the front end, nothing. You just collect money. And you pay her hourly rate. Let's say give her a bonus. Like out of every $100 she makes, you give her 20% on top of her hourly rate, something like that. All right. So for her, she obviously should be incentivized over just simply having an hourly rate. But as when I tell you, this is some of the easiest money you will make in 2024. Well, pretty much this year's over with. In 2025, if you want to make money like today, like you want to make money like today, you don't want to learn any skills, you want to look at charts, you don't want to build websites, you don't want to make TikTok videos, you don't want to show your face, you don't want to have to like convince people to buy courses, you don't want to have to convince people to sign up to some MLM. This is it right here. There is absolutely no selling whatsoever. When I tell you this is like, I mean like no selling at all. And the crazy thing is you can just set whatever. You can just be like, oh, I'm my premium group's $85. And they will pay for it. Oh, it's $85, and they will pay for it to look at pictures. $85. Some of these people, it take them a whole day to make that $80, and they will just give it away. Insane to me. But anyway, guys, that is pretty much it. My bad if I sound a little off in this video. I'm a bit sick, but excuse me. But yeah, guys, like for real, if you want to make money and you're not really too concerned about how, and that's legal, this is it right here.